So we are on the last topic of that is of hexadecimal conversions. In this video I have covered all the hexadecimal conversion, that is either to binary, either to decimal or to octal. So for here we are having the same concept that we are having in the octal conversion, that for understanding the for hexadecimal conversions, for binary and for octal, it is necessary for us to understand the hexadecimal conversion. So firstly we are going to understand the hexadecimal conversion to binary. Hexadecimal conversion from hexadecimal to binary decimal conversion. So here is our question, that is hexadecimal to binary, that is 1c.2 power 16 base 16, which will be equal to base of 10. So c here means 12. In hexadecimal we are having 10 for A, 12, 11 for B, 12 for C, 13 for D, 14 for E, 15 for F. So C is 12. So 1C.2. So we are converting the 1C.2 the normal way we do for the decimal conversion, that is we are multiplying the 16th base value having a power of 1, 0, 1, minus 1. Before decimal it is 0 positive, after decimal it is minus in terms of negative. So 1 will be multiplied to minus 16 power 1 to 12 c, that is 12. 12 multiplied by 0 to 16 power 0. There is a separation over here, only for our convenience I repeat always, into plus 2 into 16 power minus 1. So the summation of this will be 28 plus 0.125. The answer will be 28.125 base of 10. This is the answer for the hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Now we are understanding the hexadecimal to binary conversion. So this is the hexadecimal to binary conversion. Our question is 13.1b. Base 16 is equals to, we have to convert it in base of 2, means binary. So B means 11. B here means 11, right? So now we have to convert this hexadecimal value to decimal value. After this decimal, it becomes easier for us to convert in binary or in octal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal. So we are first converting this hexadecimal value to decimal value, that is 13.1b. So it will be of power 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2. So 1 into 16 power 1 plus 3 into 16 power 0, plus there is a separation again for our convenience, 1 into 16 power minus 1 plus 11b into 16 power minus 2. The summation of this part is 19 and this part is 0.10. After adding both the values, what we are getting? 19.10 in decimal form. But our aim was to convert in binary form, so we are converting this decimal value to binary value. So converting this decimal value to binary value, what are we are taking? We are converting the decimal value to binary value. So our output for hexadecimal to decimal conversion is 19.10 with a base of 10. We have to convert it in base of 2. Now what we are doing? We know that this part will be divided by the base part, that is 2, and this with a point will be multiplied by 2. So 19 will be divided by 2, that is 19 9s are 18 with the remainder of 1, 2 4s are 8 with the remainder of 1, 2 2s are 4 with the remainder of 0 and 1 here. So we have to consider the 19th answer in a decimal in a binary terms will be from bottom to top, 1011. We have to we are having the next part, that is 0.10. We have to multiply it by 2, which will be 0.2. This part will be going to the separated part. This is a normal separation for our convenience. This 0 will be going here, and this 0.0 will be going here and being multiplied with 2. The same procedure will be followed for this, for this, for this, and for rest of the values. We are not required to go or extend by 2 digits because we are having 2 digits after decimal. For your convenience, I have done or I have solved this problem. Now considering the answer, we have to go from top to bottom. So 0 0 0 1 1 will be answer. The full answer for adding the decimal part or before decimal values, we are having 1011.00011. The last part which we have to discuss for the hexadecimal is the octal conversion to octal pattern. So hexadecimal to octal, we are having a question 1, f dot a is equals to 16, which will be equal to base of 8, means we are converting it to 8. Having a base of 16 means hexadecimal to octal. In the question we can see that f is representing 15 and a is representing 10. For more updation about hexadecimal, please go on previous videos which I have been uploaded. We have to convert. First conversion will be hexa to decimal, फिर decimal to octal, right? And we'll get the answer for this part. So hexa to decimal and then decimal to octal, we'll get the answer. So firstly we are converting this hexadecimal value to a decimal value, that is 1. It is power 1, 0, power 1, minus 1. So 1 into 16 power 1 plus f means 15. 15 into 16 power 0 plus, there is a separation for our convenience only, a, that is 10 into 16 power minus 1. The summation of this area is 31 and the summation of this is 0.62. Adding both these values, we are having 61.62 with a base of 10. We are having a base of 10 over here. Now we have converted the value which is given in hexadecimal, we have converted it to a decimal format, but our aim was to convert it in an octal format. So converting it to an octal format, we have to do the decimal conversion to octal conversion, that is we have to divide this part with octal, that is 8, and multiply this part with octal, that is 8. So dividing with the 8, 31 divided by 8 will be 3. 3 8s are 24 with a remainder of 7. Considering from bottom to top, there is 3 and 7 with a base of 8, and multiplying 0.62 with a 8, that is 0.62 into multiplied by 8, which will be equal to 0.5. 5.00. 5.00 means the rest values are 0. So this value is coming here, means this part is coming here and this value is going there, this side. Multiplying with 0 is always 0, so I have stopped here. Because moving after it will be all 0. So from bottom to top we are having 5 with a base of 8. So the answer is 37 with the base 5 with the base 8. So 37.5 is the answer. Thank you. Do subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.